How to revive plants and plant them in your garden. Hello, welcome to 7 Sammy's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So this is what I got from the store, as you can see. So this is the blueberry with the fruits already coming out. So I'm gonna show you how to revive plants like this. The best thing to do is you can plant it immediately. If you're not gonna plant it immediately, you want to make sure that you water it and give it some nutrients, and make sure that you water it regularly so that it doesn't let it to dry too much. So to revive a tree like this, you can soak it in a solution of water, and just let it stand in water for say 30 minutes to an hour. It's gonna absorb a lot of water, and it's gonna help the plant get some water. Another way of doing it is I use my compost tea, and I just soak it with my solution of compost tea like that. Soak it with a solution of compost tea, and just make sure that you water it regularly for a couple of days. It should be fine. If you don't have compost tea, you can use any other fertilizer. If you don't have any other fertilizer, that then you can use Epsom salt. Epsom salt, you just use a tablespoon of Epsom salt to a gallon of water, and just water it once a week or twice a week for like 2 or 3 weeks, and it should be fine. It should recover. The best way is to transplant it right away into the garden or a bigger container where it's gonna be, and then you water it and just maintain it, and maintain it for that period of time. It should be fine. So just make sure that you transplant it right away if you can. If you cannot, just make sure that you water it regularly, and it should be fine. So we'll take a look at this after about 2 weeks, and I'll show you how it comes out. After about 2 weeks, the flower is doing much better. As you can see, the leaves are much fresher. So we're gonna plant it in this hole right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of compost in there. I'm gonna take out that's a plant right there. We're gonna take it out. We can take this out if we don't want it to. We just tap it like that. You want to bury it like that. Put a little bit more compost all around. Then you just cover it. And just take a little bit more compost and just and then we want to water it. Just like that, and we're good to go. With a closer look, you can see the leaves are much brighter and vibrant. It means they're getting all the nutrients that they need. So now we're gonna try to plant the blueberries. So there's a hole right there. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put some compost. Just put a little bit of compost underneath that, and we'll take our blueberry. Just tap it like that. put a little bit of compost on the side, and then we can bring it back, cover the soil. You see the raspberries, the blueberries, sorry. So I need to put a stick here just to hold it up, and we should be good. So now we're gonna water it. I can put a little bit more compost, and we're just gonna water it. And that is it. You can see fresh leaves coming out. Looks awesome. 2 weeks after transplanting the blueberries, some of the blueberries are ripe. We're gonna harvest some of them and eat some of them right now. This is it. So as you can see, we're gonna harvest some of the blueberries that are here. So hopefully by the same time next year, we'll get a much bigger selection, a much bigger fruit production, and be able to get more fruits from it. Let me know in the comments below if you've revived plants like this, and if you've done something different to revive your plants. Let me know in the comments below. That is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.